Hey, it's the morning after. I still have a fucking moustache. Thanks mostly to the people down there. Well, these are just some of the people responsible. But they keep putting out, the people who work here keep putting out really nice breakfast, so I'm actually very happy about that. But yeah, I'm just gonna read my book, have a coffee, eat something healthy, not drink, and not do anything more to my facial hair. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys when there's some surfing stuff to talk about, and it's raining, so when there's some shit surfing stuff to talk about.
I don't want to wear it. It's like, oh.
Yeah, good conditions other than the fact that I had to squeeze into a wetsuit, which was really grim.
What did you describe?
But look how good we look. Oh, look at Joe's crushing it. Mustaches and surfboards. Yeah. You know you want to be in this. Hey, we've just finished our second day of surfing.
Awesome.
Did way better today. Way better. I'm still not like pro. I still can't catch everything. But the conditions were way better, even though it's like cloudy as hell. But no, way more. The only problem is it got a bit rough. It's getting quite rocky now. But
we were thinking we are doing a Baywatch cast here.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah, give the people what they want. But there was way more to catch, so way more time to practice. Managed to stand up a few more times. Managed to ride all the way into the sand at one point, which I was really happy about. But yeah. Max has joined. That strong cast. Just about to do a yoga session with, what's your name, sorry?
Marilina.
Melina?
Marilina.
Malina. With Malina.
About your cow pose. So open the front of your body, stare into this side of your torso. And you can do this movement with your eyes closed.
Oh. Just relaxing, and I've come in to completely ruin it.
You talking?
Yeah, we're both. Now we're both talking.
We're both talking. Okay.
Yeah,
what do you want to tell them? The fans.
Well, we are going to a pizza shop.
Oh yeah.
To get some takeaway pizzas with the group.
Hello, group.
There's another.
Yeah.
Everyone say hi.
Yeah. Hi.
To the fans.
Hi.
To the honeys. And yeah, and where are we taking the pizzas?
We're taking them to the end of the world.
Yeah, there's some cliffs which they call the end of the world, and we're gonna watch this amazing sunset in this weather. So get ready for some really good footage.
Nice.
You guys are gonna. I'm gonna film it. You guys are gonna shit. This is a place we're picking them up from, although we've been left in the car like children. I'm surprised they didn't crack a window for us.
Well, you're used to cutting windows, aren't you? And jump out of it.
Okay, she's referencing a story we're not going to get into on this one.
Aber alles wird gut, im Leben weiter geht's. Hol dich Krebs straight back in die Realität. Geile Themen für Songs in diesen Zeiten. Aber glaub an dich, geh deinen Weg, schaff ich einfach nicht zu Beautiful!
You know the story?
No.
Isa and me been here like half a year ago.
Isa's the one on the right down there.
Yeah, and we stick out something on that sign over there.
Okay.
So we want to have a look if it's still there.
So.
It's a sticker of a friend of us, so...
Okay.
She made stickers of her with her face and dumped like little words. Oh yeah, there it is.
It's your face? Yeah. No. It's Anne. It's a friend of ours.
We didn't have a year ago.
Another vegan.
There's a lot of vegans and vegetarians on this trip.
Und Max seine auch dabei.
Ja.
Hey!
Are we just going back to the hostel?
Yeah, I'm just gonna stop by the Intermarché.
Just to drop me
Drop.
for beer.
Cap von Tom.
For the fans? Yeah!
You like that? And you want to get your butt let's go! Germans, man!
Crushed it!
But he's gonna want to have that on tape.
You can tell from my camera handling, I'm pretty fucking drunk. A lot of the hostel have gone to sleep, but the rest of us thought it'd be a really good idea on a Wednesday night to go out to the bars. So that's what we're about to hit.
It's a good one.
That fucking death stare though, oh my god. I don't know about you, but I think I'm pregnant.